Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, we read this text and understand the difficult words. So let's start with today's class. I have written a small text here. Ich habe noch keine Familie. The person is saying, the writer, whosoever is the writer of this text, he has written this text and he is saying, Ich habe noch keine Familie. I still don't have any family. Noch means still. Here noch means still. He is saying, I still have no family. Ich habe noch keine Familie und ehrlich gesagt, and honestly speaking. Ehrlich gesagt, honestly speaking. Like we say, honestly speaking. Genieße ich auch meine Unabhängigkeit and I enjoy my freedom. Unabhängigkeit means freedom and genießen means to enjoy. Ich genieße, I enjoy my freedom. Unabhängigkeit. It means the person is bachelor and he is saying that I am happy with my bachelor life. I have no family and I am happy. I am enjoying my freedom. This is what he is saying. Ich bin frei. I am free. We all also say ich habe frei. But here ich bin frei means I am free from the responsibilities. I don't have any responsibilities since I am bachelor. You know that if a bachelor person and a married person, bachelor person has more freedom. He is free from responsibilities. He has not as much responsibilities as a married person. So in this sense, in this context, he is actually saying, Ich bin frei, I am free. Und mache and do was ich will, what I want. Was ich will, what I want. Look at the structure. Ich mache, was ich will. I do what I want. Am Wochenende gehe ich gern aus. This is a verb, ausgehen. Separable verb, to go out. He is saying, on weekend, I go out. I go out. Second place verb, am Wochenende. Look at the verb position, second position. Am Wochenende, it's a one word. Am Wochenende gehe ich gern aus. I like to go out. Gern means something you love to do. Like ich spiele gern, ich lese gern, ich höre Musik gern, ich trinke Kaffee gern. Anything you love to do, you can use this gern. Okay, very good word. So he is saying, am Wochenende gehe ich gern aus. On weekend, I love to go out. Outing, he loves because he is a bachelor, he loves freedom, he enjoys his freedom. Unabhängigkeit, it's a long word. Unabhängigkeit means freedom. Und schlafe lange, and he's saying I sleep long. I sleep long on weekend because might be he is free and he's not going to work. If you are working, weekend is mostly off in most of the countries. What about your country? Is there weekend off? Haben Sie Wochenende frei? Write below in the comment. Das geht ja mit kleinen Kindern nicht mehr. Das geht ja mit kleinen Kindern nicht mehr. It doesn't go with the small kids. If you have small kids in the family, it doesn't go. It doesn't take you along. It creates problems sometimes. Then you cannot sleep long because small children, they wake up early and they shout, they scream in the morning. So he's saying, das geht. It doesn't work with the small kids. Das geht ja mit kleinen Kindern nicht mehr. Ja means it's an expression, it's a filler. Das geht ja. It doesn't work with the small kids. Nicht mehr. Nicht mehr, no more. It doesn't work. It's a negative structure. Nicht mehr. Like, ich trinke nicht mehr. Ich esse keine Pizza mehr. You can use keine or nicht. Keine mehr or nicht mehr. Okay, if it's a noun, then keine mehr. Ich trinke keinen Kaffee mehr. Means I don't drink coffee. I don't drink coffee anymore. Ich lerne kein Deutsch mehr. I'm not learning any more German. So here, das geht nicht mehr. It doesn't work. Nicht mehr. Die meisten Leute mit Kindern, die ich kenne, sind oft gestresst. Look at this structure. Die meisten Leute mit Kindern. It's a relative sentence. The mostly people with children, Leute, people, it's a plural noun. The mostly people with children whom I know, die ich kenne, Relatives arts. D is for children. D is for children whom I know sind oft gestresst, are very stressed. The mostly people are very stressed whom I know because they have kids, and due to kids they are somewhat under stress. He is trying to say gestresst. It's not verb, it's not participle perfect, it's an adjective. You will find many adjectives in German starting with ge. Gestresst. Okay? Ich bin oft gestresst. I am often very stressed, very tired. So gestresst. He is saying ich kenne die Leute, die oft gestresst sind. I know many people who are very stressed. So this is a beautiful text. Read this text once again. You can see here, this is the structure, verb positions, some difficult words we have seen, nouns, adjectives. All these things we learn through this text. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.